verifications during the project and at its end, usually indicators are measured, also known as KPIs, Key Performance Indicators. The project manager must define which performance indicators will be used, as well as what would be considered success. That is, what are the minimum acceptable values these KPIs should have at the end of the project. These indicators may be only qualitative. Going back to the baking cake example, a success indicator would be making a delicious cake. But ideally, they would have measurable values, quantitative. For example, the cake must weigh 1 pound at the end of its preparation. In the cake example, one can infer that the indicators depend on the project being executed. Different projects have different KPIs. But the characteristics to be measured are generally common to several types of projects, with vast literature about the subject being available. It's up to the manager and her team to translate these broad themes to the case being analyzed. Some of the themes to be examined. 1. Objective achievement. The value created by the project was the expected. 2. Costs. The costs were within the initial budget. Are they inferior to the value created by the project? 3. Time. Is the project within the initial schedule? Will it be delivered on time? 4. Team. Is the team working according to the forecast? Is it motivated and well prepared? 5. Client. If the project belongs to someone, is the final client satisfied with the project execution and its result? There are pre-established formulas for some KPIs more frequently used. One example, return on investment, ROI. It is defined as value created by the project minus invested value, divided by the invested value. In the cake case, the invested value would be the sum of all costs incurred: ingredients, electrical energy, gas, cook time. The value created by the project will be the sale price of the cake. A value less than 1 means that there was a negative financial return. More was invested than gained. And a value greater than 1 means that there was a positive financial return. However, a positive financial return by itself does not mean project success. Other KPIs must be taken into account, and if in the overall analysis the largest part of the KPIs and the most important ones are positive, then the project can be considered a success. We'll continue in the next video.